Next up is Single Dropper for Gunny. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. In this, we need to check the fuel levels in all tanker trucks in the airfield by par long. So the first, second, and third tanker checking the map, this is where we need to go, the par long airfield. If you're part of Le Mans, congratulations, it's a short walk away. If you're part of any other faction, you're going to have to walk all the way from, well, probably Hunter's Paradise. Make your way south, Foxtrot 3, Hotel 3, Golf 1. Congratulations, you've walked a couple of Ks, and now you're at the Far Long airfield. There is practically no cover while you're approaching this place, and these dudes have sniper AKs. Well, actually, I guess if you put yourself in the full open, they kind of miss every shot. If you're only showing a head, they're only going to hit your head. Anyways, I see, they're using Mosins. That makes sense. Anyways, pushing further up, you can already see the first tanker to the east, and we'll run up to it. Luckily, you don't need to bring a marker or anything like that. And approaching this first one here, we'll need to clear out a few guards before we get in there, including one in the bush. That's not too good. I think we got them. Yep. Anyways, approaching the truck here, we should be able to just walk up to it. And over here on the left side of it, by this panel, just simply walk up to it, shove your face into it, and assuming you have the right angle, check fuel. There we go. The first one is done. Now we need to head across there and check the other two. So running across here, be aware that there's probably going to be some more guards hiding around the place, such as that one. Judging by how much Mosin ammo's on you, you'll finally know when this place is clean. Swapping out our broken gear for something a bit less fashionable, we can finally check out the second tanker, which is located all the way at the northeast side of the Far Long airfield. So we can interact with this. Second one's done. Now the third tanker used to be over here. Now the final truck is actually nowhere close to this airfield, but essentially you'll be heading northeast from the airfield up to where this sand road meets the tar road at this little checkpoint up here. So 162, 188, somewhere around there. Anyways, this is where you need to head to get the last bit of this done. It's nowhere close. There are a couple of guards on the road nearby here, so just be prepared when you come here. But making our way here, you can finally interact with the last truck. There we go. So now that we've done all of this, we can just head back as we're now done. And now while you're here, it's probably a good idea to head up just a little bit north up to here where there should be another landing zone that you can grab to head back. And there we go. We've discovered Papa 1, so we can head home from here next to this rather stretchy mountain. And there we go. We can hand it in. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.